Okay, so I promised you guys that the next video would be the PC all finished because I was picking up the case on the Saturday, I think, after the video was uploaded. And I'm sorry to disappoint, but that's not happening yet. I did pick up the case, but the night before that, I stumbled across this crazy deal, so I wanted to share with you guys. I just realized as well that this is the only actual acquisition of parts that I documented. So I just wanted to share this with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. There was something really sick that happened, which was so unexpected. But yeah, I'll leave you guys to the video and hope you enjoy. I'm just doing some YouTube stuff, if you don't mind.
No,
Yeah.
that's fine.
On
PSU?
eBay. Yeah.
You got a power supply?
Yeah.
I've got 1,000 because that one's. I think the minimum you need is 600 for that GPU. I've got 1,000 in there, and I mean, if you need it, I can more than well help you out with it.
How much would you want for it?
You can have it. I just have to take time to dig it out.
You serious?
Yeah.
Well,
If you want to build your own PC, and obviously
if you're just
with the prices and stuff,
Yeah.
and that is. But if you're serious about building your own and it could help you, I'll dig it out at some point over the weekend.
honestly, mate, if you're tossing it, I'm happy to take it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I'll dig it out over the weekend.
Okay.
Um,
All right, mate. That's amazing. Thank you so much. So we said 220, didn't we?
Yeah.
Will do. Thank you so much.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We're back and I've swapped out the parts. So this was my RAM, and I've put in the one I bought today and the GPU as well. This is the old one. Well, I say old. We're just about to test. Let's go. We have light on one RAM stick. What's happening? The other one's not in properly. Let's shut that down. 2 clicks, done. Yes, we have lights on the RAM. That looks good. I'll show you guys. Obviously, RAM is different. It's black, which is not ideal for the look I'm wanting, but it's just now occurred to me that the board itself is black as well. Obviously I was looking at this more, and that's black as well anyway, and that's black as well, so it's not too bad, and it's double the capacity. 3070 is showing up. 32 gigabytes of RAM. That's actually so crazy in this economy as well. There you have it, really quick one. What a legend, that guy. Honestly, I really wasn't expecting anything of the sort. The GPU and the RAM on its own, just because I've been seeing all the prices for the past few weeks, it was really a good steal. But then when he threw in the PSU as well, just insane value thrown into the deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, apologies, it's not yet the PC, but I promise next video for sure will be the complete build. So like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on the next one.